Here's what we have going on. We have a sunny day ahead of us, and we have temperatures that are going to move up very nicely today. To get there, we're going to have some pretty strong winds, though, that'll develop as we go through the day. Right now, 38 degrees is what we're looking at O'Hare, and 37 degrees at Midway. Our winds are starting to pick up just a little bit. 13 miles per hour right now at O'Hare is what we have. But look at where they go as we go through the day here. Now, this is 10 o'clock tonight, which is about the peak of the windiness we have around here as far as gusts are concerned. 31 mile per hour gusts later on this evening. So as we move later in the afternoon into the evening, those winds will really pick up. Your wind gust tracker shows you that calm down by tomorrow morning. Clouds and radar show you that we're in great shape right now. Lots of sunshine around Chicago. We'll hold on to that till tonight when we bring some clouds in as we head toward tomorrow morning. And just the outside chance that tomorrow morning you could have a sprinkle, especially for areas to the south of the city. But it's a real outside chance, not a big deal. Just some clouds move through here. That's about it. So for today, sunshine, windy conditions as time goes on, and temperatures that are pretty much where they ought to be. 60 is your high this time of year. I think we'll be at about 58. Tonight we drop off to about 43 degrees, which isn't bad. That was our high yesterday. And then we're headed to 53 degrees tomorrow and back to 60 degrees for Monday. So we hold on to some decent conditions as we move through the rest of the week, with temperatures cooperating, being right about where they ought to be.